up, everybody? It's your girl, Corinne Bernard, also known as the last Corinne, because after me, there will be no other, okay? You already know what the title is, but before we do that, I'm about to swatch some Posca markers for you. The whole pack in total cost me $53 on Amazon. I showed y'all the standard rainbow pack with the black and white, and then there's the gold and silver metallic pens and the pretty pastel pens that this entire kit came from. And we're just gonna swatch these out. Right here I'm doing a color wheel with the first package. And yeah, I just kind of jump on into it. I don't normally swatch things out, and I'm really going to challenge myself in the new year to test out my products as soon as they come in, so I know exactly how they're going to look when I go into a project. Also, if you're going to go into using these pens, just remember that these are water-based paint pens, so it's going to chew right through that paper, y'all. So make sure you go thick. Get you some cardstock, heavy duty paper, because these pens will tear it up. And as you can see on the side, I had to do a couple, swirlies to get the excess paper off. And I used it to clean my white because I was blending it in with the pink and blue. Here I'm swatching out these pretty colors and the gold and silver metallic. I just love metallic pens. And then just to test out, how they layer, I waited for those to dry, and now I'm doing cute little faces on them, okay? Because everybody needs a cute moment. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know what I'm saying. So now I'm getting into the painting drawing of my niece. This is Daisy. She's one of my older nieces, 22 years old. Jesus, I'm feeling old out here. But Daisy is like a little sister to me, the little sister I never had. We grew up together. We used to play the same games because she was always playing my video games. And I'm still holding against you that one level in Sonic, Daisy. Don't think I forgot. But I love you, and this is a tribute to you just to keep you encouraged. You're going to do amazing things one day if you just stay focused, and I'm already so proud of you, girl, okay? A little bit of drama, and this is the final results. Now I want to thank y'all for listening, and I'll catch you on the next one, okay? Bye.